how to check real battery health on iPhone. So if you want to check your real battery health on iPhone, then what you need to do is if you open up your settings and if you scroll down on your general, or if you go with the battery at first, under battery, if you go with battery health and charging, you will have maximum capacity. But this is not your real battery health. In order to have your real battery health, or in order to know your real battery health, you need to open up your browser or Safari, anything that you're comfortable with. And here, you need to search for iPhone battery shortcut. Now tap on the iPhone battery shortcut and tap on battery stats shortcut, and you need to download the battery shortcut. So in my case, I already have this shortcut, but if you don't have it, you just need simply go with add shortcut, which is on the bottom, and tap on add, and it will be added. Once you added your battery shortcut, now what you need to do is just open up your settings again. After opening your settings, you just need simply go with your privacy and security. Under privacy and security, scroll down and go with analytics and improvements. Under this, first thing you need to do is turn on your share iPhone analytics option, because if this is turned off, then you won't be able to check your real battery health. So first you need to turn this on, and after turning this on, you need to come back after 24 hours because it won't work immediately. So if it is turned on previously, then it works, but if it has been not turned on, and if you've just turned that on, then wait for 24 hours and then come back with the same procedure. Now once you've turned that on and once it has been 24 hours, you need to go with your analytics data. Under your analytics data, you will have recent analytics data. So in my case also, I've not turned this iPhone analytics, so you just need to simply come back after 24 hours and then you will have iPhone analytics data, new analytics data. You will have analytics written at the start of that data. So in my case, I don't have that option because I also had that turned off. Once you find your analytics and once you find the recent analytics data, you need to tap on it and you need to go with share, which will be on the top right. And from the share, you need to go with your battery status. Once you tap on the battery status, it might take a few seconds or a few minutes to load, and after loading, you'll be able to see your real battery health on your iPhone. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.